this is how you enjoy a lace front wig. Absolute minimal. This is how you enjoy a lace front wig. Now I know, crack the code, I'm not going back. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. My name is Esther and thank you for tuning into this brand new video. So today I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about this unit. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below. That would mean a lot to me. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I want to talk to you guys about this wig that I'm currently wearing, and it is from Asteria Hair, as you saw by the title. This is a 20-inch Brazilian lace front unit and it is 180% density. Now this has been installed by the Trap House London salon. I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about that in a little bit. I want to talk to you about the quality of this hair. I've used hair from Asteria Hair before, but I was blown away by the quality of this one. I didn't expect it to be this good. So I literally want to get myself a couple more just so that I have as like backup. This wig is so nice. I absolutely actually really love it. I had it installed on Wednesday, so it's coming up to a week that I've been wearing it non-stop. I slept in it, I've bathed in it, I've done everything. Not to say I've got it wet, but I've literally lived in this wig for the past couple of days. It's the first for me. I don't wear hair to bed. Like, I will take my wigs off at night and I'll put them on again in the morning. But I thought to myself, I wanted to try and just keep it on. Oh, you guys, can y'all see that? Guys, the hair is so good. And I did not expect Brazilian hair to be like this good, so this has really shocked me. It's actually really surprised me. It's really silky, it's really soft. I haven't needed to put anything in it whatsoever. When I go to bed, I literally just tie it up. I protect this area as well with just like a pair of tights that I've cut, and that really just holds it in place, and I just wear my bonnet over it. The hair has been really soft and really good. I've neatened it up with some straighteners and it's got a good sheen and a good shine to it. I used a tiny bit of serum today for the flyaways. I just kind of neaten them up with the Care styling wax, and that just helps kind of keep them in place. But besides that, guys, honestly, I really like this wig. The wig was installed by the Trap House London salon, and they are based in East London. They actually invited me down to try out their services. This install is probably one of the best installs I've had. I did not expect this hair to last this long on me. I thought by maybe like Sunday it would be falling off and the glue would have lifted, but it's going nowhere, and I'm literally trying to keep it on for as long as possible. So it's a lace front wig. I bleached the knots myself at home. I just did that really quickly because I've actually never done that on a lace wig myself before, and I bleached the knots a bit. When I got there, the hairdresser, she squeezed the edges just ever so slightly and the hairline just to make it look a little bit more natural, but she didn't actually do too much to it. She did it all around the edges and then she just went ahead and installed that, and I will show you guys that process. The install was actually pretty quick. She used Ghost Bond. Can I just just say Ghost Bond is my new favorite thing. Like any wig I have installed from now forevermore, I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond because I always do them and I use like Got To Be, and I just kind of keep them on for that time. So when I'm going to bed, I whip them off. But I actually want to enjoy these wigs, so I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond from now on, just so at least I can have the wigs on for a good couple of days and really enjoy the new style, because you don't get into a new style until you've worn it for a good few days. I've got some bands here at the back as well. You can use that just to make it tighter at the back and a bit more snug. 180% density is actually perfect because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. I think it's a kind of a nice natural amount of hair on the wig. The front of it has held up so well because it's obviously a lace wig. We didn't have that much space to kind of create sideburns, so she just trimmed some of the hairs and just had it like that. And all around here, I cannot stop playing with this hair. I really like it. I think it's just a simple staple piece, long middle part straight, and of course I can change the parting if I want to as well, but I haven't done so. I like the fact that I can if I want to. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to check out the description box for all the details you need. The direct link to this wig is also going to be in the description box, and all the links for Asteria Hair's social platforms as well is going to be there. Please also check out the Trap House London. Their Instagram is also below. Thank you guys so much for having me. And minimal everything, like minimal. I mean, I love closures, but I'm not going back. This is it. You've got me. You got me. You got me. Thank you so much for watching. Also follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat and on Twitter, although I don't really tweet too much, but if you tweet me, I'll tweet back. Bye guys. Thank you.